Okay guys, I'm back with another Cinema4D tutorial, and this time is about displacement maps and displacement noises, and it's a really cool tutorial for you to learn some things on Cinema4D, so hope you enjoy it and hope you follow along the tutorial. So let's get on to it. Like always, I leave you a link description with a file download for you to follow along my tutorial and to get easy with it. So I'm going to also leave you the displacement noise that I put on my image for you to play a little bit. And but I'm going to teach you how to make this from start. So let's get started. So okay, first of all, let's hide our sphere and let's insert another sphere in there. Okay. First of all, let's put this more, how can I say, high res. Let's bump up a little bit the segments, like for 45. 45 is good. You can also increase a lot more, but this will drag a little bit your computer. I'm working on a high 7, and this also slows down a little bit, but it's possible to work with this. So once you have our sphere, one thing you can do, like for first, you have to edit your object. But because otherwise the noise won't and the displacement map won't bump the sphere. So press your sphere, hit C. We have our sphere editable, and for start, displacement noises is made by a material. So the material is going to glue on your editable object, and it's going to work. So you have to choose a color that you want. I think I'm going to choose like a yellow one for this tutorial. Could be cool. The reflection, I'm not going to work with reflection here because I don't want to increase the recording settings and the renders for the machine. I want to this tutorial be fluid and fast, so for you to not lose a lot of time on this. So I'm going to focus only on the objective things, and the first thing you have to do is going to hide the bump. You're going to put it on, and you're going to the texture, and you're going to put a noise on it, and you already can start see some how can I say, see some changes on the sphere. If you make like a quick render, you see that your sphere is already got noise, but this is only like how can I say, this is like a projection noise. It really is not on the sphere. So this is for start, and then you can copy your texture on the bump noise and go to the displacement, and you're going to paste your texture there. You see that or the displacement is already working, and now we don't need the bump channel. So we can turn off our bump channel, and the displacement now is much more detailed. So in order for us to replicate this sphere, I'm going to just increase this a little bit, put the strength a little bit lower, and this is very important. This is sub-polygon displacement, and round geometry will get you like a better resolution of your object. So you have to put this on hold, and then you can increase the subdivision level. But all this is going to increase the render time. So be careful with this, and go make some tests until you have like the nice render time for an animation for this, because if this is bad calculated, you can spend a lot of times waiting for nothing. So on the noise, I'm going to change the noise for how can I say, I'm going to use FBM for this noise, because the noise that I used, but I'm going to bump up a little bit the global scale, like about 350, should be cool. And I'll also increase this a little bit because it's better. I worked that way on the other noise displacement, so this is how it should work. So everything is settled together. So now we can in this part you can lower or you can higher your bumps. So higher bumps increase higher renders, and lower bumps make lower renders. So if you make a test render now, you see that you already got the displacement and the noise is gone. So yeah, this is a tutorial for the displacement noise. This has like a billion possibilities for you to test. So This is one noise. I think we have like about 30 noises or whatever, I don't know. I also have how can I say, I have a big file with two sets of displacement all done, but they are selling on how can I say 3D Ocean. I will link you there for you to check out. And here we have our displacement noise already working, and now we can test like about, I don't know, a lot of them. So this all depends on the, how can I say, the noise shader, and how can I say also, sorry, and also the height of your displacement and the strength of it. So if you play a lot with this, you see that you will find like really cool textures or noises to work out for your images or for your animations or for whatever you want on Cinema4D, because Cinema4D is too powerful for you to test a lot of things. So I thought that this was a really cool tutorial for you guys to learn, and hope you enjoyed to follow it. So make your textures, make your noise bumps, sorry, and link a video to me so I can see what you've been doing on my tutorials, and hope you enjoy this. So this is the tutorial for the displacement maps, and go for it. Make your thing. Send me them to link the description, and I will make a comment. So cheers, guys. Bye.